Hi, in this video we are going to launch our client application directly from Node. We are going to skip Docker. This might be helpful to speed up a little bit the development environment when you're really focusing on the client development. So I'm in the root directory of my application. I can see here I have all my services folder. So first thing I'm gonna move into services, front-end client. This is my client root, and in this folder I can see my package.json, which lists all the properties of the project, and the webpack configuration, which is the other important part. Another thing that I see is that I already have a node module folder, because I ran this project through Docker previously, and Docker did install this for me. Now that I'm running the project on my Mac, the node folder needs to be reinitialized, because there are some libraries that are built for the specific computer architecture. So the first step is rm-rf node modules. rm-rf node modules. Yeah, that's it, followed by a yarn install. Okay, it's very important that you always remove your node modules folder when you change from Docker execution to node execution, and vice versa. Even if the modules are the same, the build version will differ from Docker, which runs on Linux and your Mac installation. Okay, it seems it's done, so at this point I can just type issue yarn start, and this will trigger my development environment to boot. There we are, looks like it's working. Let's give it a try. Canary localhost 3000, yeah, it's working. That's cool. At this point we might want to start the style guide as well. So either I stop this process and I yarn start style guide. This is one way. Of course you can run multiple processes in multiple windows. We're gonna see that in a minute. Okay, let's see, localhost. I need 4000 here. Yeah, here we have the style guide. Cool. As I told you, but yeah, now the app doesn't work because I stopped the app in order to run the style guide. What I can do is I can open a new terminal session still in the client root and yarn start it. So I have up here, I'm going to execute my style guide, and down here I'm going to execute my application. So now even the application is working. That's correct. Okay, cool. What else can we do with the client? Well, if you open the package JSON, let's go full screen, package JSON, and you take a close look to the scripts section here, you can see that we can, so to speak, we can build our project, the production version of this project. We can even serve it. We're gonna try this. We are gonna, we can run flow, we can run ESLint directly from our terminal to just check if the project is working. Let's give it a try. Yarn flow. This is going to run a flow type and check if our code is correctly set up. Yeah. Yarn lint. This is for the code style, like indentation and unused variables and stuff. Everything seems nice. And at this point I will try yarn serve. This is going to launch a new client, a new server altogether with the build. So first step is going to create a distribution of our application. in the dist folder. Yeah, so the server is working. If I go here and I load this thing, I can see that the JavaScript files that I'm downloading are the build. They are the build minified and compressed versions, not the source code. Same thing for CSS and other assets. Yeah, that's it. So remember, the main concept is you have to remove your node folder whenever you swap between node execution and the Docker execution. If I go back to my project root, so where the Docker files are set, there's a humble shortcut to clean up all the node modules. You can do humble clean up, and this will take care of removing the node modules from both the client and the server. Thank you.